you know what it is. Hey, what's up there guys, Bruce from here, back at again with another video. So today we are going to do another video. So we're going to do a video on my NBC kit, or CBRN, or whatever country says that. It's basically standard doctrine. So this is on my NBC kit, or CBRN. Let's go for what NBC stands for. NBC is Nuclear, Biological and Chemical, or CBRN, which is Nuclear, Biological, Radioactive, Nuclear Attack, something along those lines. So this is the box for the, well, the bag for the GSR respirator. Now the GSR I haven't got. I wish I could get a GSR. Problem is, on eBay they are really expensive. I looked at getting my hands on one, but they are way too expensive and they're always being bidded on, like out my bidding range. So let's first off have a look at the respirator box. Sorry, respirator not canister. The case, should I say? So, right, what we see from the front, this is in the British Army MTP camouflage, which was rolled out in 2013. So it's a nice, good bit of nice camouflage that works in the green zone and in the desert. So through this, we've got two Velcro strips of the fluffy variety. And here we've got three, I'm guessing, yeah, we've got three popper tabs on here, so it connects to this, and that adds a bit more security for when you're running around buildings and so on, when you're doing exercise. On the side here we've got two nice flat pouches. This is just half folded. They fold up to about that. That's for putting in with your decontamination gear in, which I don't have because, yet again, too expensive. Same with that on the side there. Nice molly pouch. On the back also there's molly adapters. So for example, when you need to go into a CBRN situation or something like that, you can clip this onto your webbing like we did in the Gulf War. But this time we had the DPM version, which looked nothing like this. It was just a massive square, I think, that had the PLCE attachment points, which are nothing like this. I'll do another video on the difference between molly and PLCE in the future, so stay tuned for that one. So coming down here, we've got a nice strap. That's meant to wrap around your leg. So, for example, when you're running about, it doesn't shake about as much. So this is meant to be very tight against your body. So that's very good. On top here, we've got a shoulder or a waist strap. So you can tie it around your waist or put it around your neck. Most squaddies nowadays prefer to put it around their waist as like a belt to keep their CBRN suit on. Well, keep their CBRN suit secure. As you can see, I did use this as a harness, not harness, what's it called? Strap for my admin kit for school. As you can see, I did a smiley face with some board marker, which I got quite bored in class. So then we've got some poppers down there. I don't know what they're for. We've got some like molly pouches on the side. So let's open it up. This is extremely hard to do with one hand. So now, this one is the field pack, and there's a serial number there. And this is designed to, if you, for example, I used to carry my waterproofs in this in cadets. I use just to carry my respirator now. I've got a new set of waterproofs now, so I don't have to carry them on in my respirator case. Smart. So this is designed to, like when you have lots of stuff, it's designed to expand it a little bit more. So that's good actually for the common soldier. So you can carry more GSR stuff, so for example, and you can two more canisters, some decontamination gear. So we've got a nice flap up here. We also got a nice piece of security up here, some elastic. So let's open up the fullest. So let's get out what we have. That, and there is that. Then we got a field pack. It's labelled field pack. I don't know why, but there. That's what it's labelled. So starting off from the right, we got my S10 respirator. I got the S10 off a friend who was in the Navy. who had all of his spare equipment coming back from Afghan Op Herrick. So he decided, because obviously MTP and the new GSR was being rolled out into the British Army, so he decided to give me all his old DPM and desert equipment. I still got actually. I'm planning to sell it on eBay as well. So the most recognised feature of the S10 is those massive eye loops. A lot of people consider this to be the SAS mask. No. The SAS used a really old style of respirator from the 70s and 80s. Yeah, the stuff they used to carry in 82 in the Falklands. Falklands level stuff. So, up front, we've got our exhale valve cover. Then we've got a side vent. So overall this gives a pretty nice seal to the average soldier in the field. So these are deactivated charcoal, activated charcoal ones. What I did, I sawn my charcoal filters in half, dumped out the charcoal, gutted the filter. So now I've got nothing in them, which makes them easier to breathe through. So I've got 2 canisters. Usually you'd get issued with GSR, you'd get issued 4. So 2 on the mask, 2 off the mask. And in the Gulf War, when the threat of NBC was very apparent, they carried a couple more filters on them, which is understandable because if you've got to change filters during a chemical attack, take one big breath in and wish yourself luck. Screw off this filter. So I have to take a little bit too much time, but it's really hard to do with one hand. Then screw on the filter. Do a quick pressure check by holding the valve like that and breathing in. If the mask folds in on itself, got a good pressure seal. So that's the S10, it's 2 filters. I love the S10, I absolutely love it. I've got a lot of respect for it, which is really nice. Next thing you know, we're on the decontamination gloves. Some of you guys in the comments will be going, oh, those are not decontamination gloves or NBC gloves. I know they're not. These are just standard rubberized builder's gloves I found in the garage, so I decided to use them. These are originally my old painting gloves, so I like to use them as NBC gloves because I like NBC stuff. So I got a good collection of it. Well, not really. I got my own CBRN suit, so yeah. So usually would carry 2 of them. I don't want to get my NBC kit out because that's too much effort to get out. It's currently in there. It's currently in my Bergen. And I don't want to get it out. It's just too much effort. I'll probably do a later video on it. So back to the S10. There's a little feature some people haven't really noticed. See this massive brim of rubber, sorry. This is an Avon respirator, it was made in 2008 by the way. It goes all the way around the mask. That's for the NBC hood to go over. So you put the hood over, so you put the mask on, hood over, so to rest around here. Of course you've got the very large nose piece. You got the intake, I think you got the intake and the exhale valve. Also, I haven't got an NBC cap for my water bottle. I want to get one. I used to have one, but I've thrown it away. God damn it, young me. So this is really hard to do. Just have to put the camera down for a sec. Stand by. Just stand by. Just stay with me, guys. There we go. So I managed to get off the tube. So this is the drinking tube. You're meant to take a cap off of your water bottle, then plug this into the top of it. Then you'll usually turn this to the side, and a little drinking tube will come out from your respirator. I took my drinking tube out because I don't like drinking for a respirator, and also that's talcum powder in there to make it less coarse. So I'm now going to put the S10 on, so I can show you how it was fitted. So there we are. That's the S10 fitted. Obviously you've got to tighten it using some straps. So pop that. Got to tighten the straps to the side. Then you've got to tighten the straps in So, quick pressure check. We just take the hand onto the filler and breathe in like so. Like such, it's done asking find itself the eyepieces, therefore it's a good pressure check and a good pressure seal as well. The new GSR hasn't got the eyepieces, it has let's say more of a goggle view, so you don't have this massive piece that is more expanded out the side. Here again, you can also see the massive exhale valve on the front. And you also got the drinking tube here. So overall, I think it's a really good respirator. I think I'd get some filters. I actually bought some filters off eBay if I wanted to. So I personally think this is a really nice respirator. Also, it's very comfortable around the head. Also, it's very adaptable for a helmet because I've got a short brim helmet. If you see my helmet video, go and watch that. Then you'll get the idea. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you want to. Well, just subscribe. Also click the bell notification icon down below, and leave a comment if you want to, and suggest what you want for the next video. Thank you very much everyone. This is British Irishman, signing off. Goodbye everyone.